Welcome to the vibrant and diverse world of Brazil, known for its lively culture, breathtaking landscapes, and iconic landmarks. Brazil is a country that truly has something for everyone. From the bustling city life of Rio de Janeiro to the serene beauty of the Amazon rainforest, Brazil offers a wide array of experiences. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through 15 of the best places to visit in Brazil, each showcasing a unique facet of this incredible country. Let's dive into the heart of Brazil and discover its wonders. Number 1. Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro, often simply called Rio, is a city that pulsates with energy and excitement. Famous for its stunning beaches like Copacabana and Ipanema, Rio is a paradise for sun-seekers and beach enthusiasts. The iconic Christ the Redeemer statue, perched atop the Corcovado mountain, offers breathtaking views of the city and is a must-visit landmark. Take a cable car ride up to Sugarloaf Mountain for panoramic vistas of the city and bay. Don't miss the vibrant Carnival Festival, a dazzling celebration of music, dance, and colorful costumes that embodies Rio's lively spirit. Number 2. São Paulo. São Paulo, Brazil's largest city, is a bustling metropolis known for its rich cultural scene and diverse culinary landscape. Explore the São Paulo Museum of Art to admire its impressive collection of Brazilian and international art. The city's vibrant neighborhoods, like Vila Madalena and Jardins, offer an array of dining options from street food to gourmet restaurants. São Paulo is also home to Ibirapuera Park, a sprawling green space perfect for relaxation and outdoor activities. Experience the city's dynamic energy and discover why São Paulo is a cultural and economic powerhouse. Number 3. Salvador. Salvador, the capital of the state of Bahia, is renowned for its rich Afro-Brazilian heritage and vibrant cultural scene. The historic Pelourinho district is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, featuring colorful colonial architecture and cobblestone streets. Salvador is famous for its lively music and dance traditions, particularly samba and capoeira. Enjoy the city's culinary delights, including acarajé, a popular street food made from black-eyed peas and shrimp. With its blend of history, culture, and culinary experiences, Salvador offers a unique glimpse into Brazil's cultural diversity. Number 4. Brasília. Brasília, Brazil's modernist capital, is known for its unique architecture and urban planning. Designed by architect Oscar Niemeyer, the city's distinctive buildings include the futuristic Cathedral of Brasília and the sleek Palácio da Alvorada, the official residence of the president. Explore the city's planned neighborhoods like the Esplanada dos Ministérios, where many of the government buildings are located. Brasília's innovative design and architectural marvels make it a fascinating destination for those interested in urban development and modernist architecture. Number 5. Fortaleza. Fortaleza, located in northeastern Brazil, is famous for its beautiful beaches and lively atmosphere. Praia do Futuro is one of the city's most popular beaches, known for its golden sands and vibrant beach bars. Fortaleza is also a gateway to the stunning dunes and lagoons of the Lençóis Maranhenses National Park, a surreal landscape of shifting sand dunes and crystal-clear lagoons. Enjoy the city's bustling nightlife and cultural events, including traditional forró music and dance. Fortaleza's blend of beach relaxation and adventure makes it a top destination. Number 6. Recife. Recife, the capital of Pernambuco state, is known for its rich cultural heritage and picturesque waterways. The city's historic center, Recife Antigo, features colonial architecture and lively markets. Explore the nearby town of Olinda, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its well-preserved colonial buildings and vibrant carnival celebrations. Recife is also home to beautiful beaches like Boa Viagem, where you can relax and enjoy the warm waters of the Atlantic Ocean. With its mix of history, culture, and beachside relaxation, Recife is a diverse and captivating destination. Number 7. Natal. Natal, located in northeastern Brazil, is renowned for its stunning natural beauty and laid-back atmosphere. The city's beaches, such as Ponta Negra and Genepabu, offer golden sands and clear waters, perfect for swimming and sunbathing. Explore the nearby dunes of Genepabu, where you can enjoy dune buggy rides and camel rides. Natal is also home to the Forte dos Reis Magos, a historic fort with panoramic views of the surrounding coastline. With its picturesque beaches and natural wonders, Natal is a great destination for relaxation and adventure. Number 8. Manaus. Manaus, situated in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, is a gateway to one of the world's most biodiverse regions. Explore the Amazon Theater, an impressive opera house built during the rubber boom era, and visit the nearby Meeting of the Waters, where the dark waters of the Rio Negro meet the sandy waters of the Amazon River. Take a boat tour to discover the lush rainforest, spot exotic wildlife, and visit indigenous communities. Manaus offers a unique opportunity to experience the wonders of the Amazon and its rich cultural heritage. Number 9. Florianopolis. Florianopolis, often referred to as Floripa, is an island city known for its stunning beaches and outdoor activities. Enjoy the beautiful sands of Praia Mole and Joaquina, popular spots for surfing and relaxation. The island's natural beauty extends to its lush forests and hiking trails, including the scenic Lagoinha do Leste Trail. Florianopolis is also known for its delicious seafood and vibrant local culture. With its combination of beautiful beaches and outdoor adventures, Florianopolis is a perfect destination for nature lovers and beachgoers. Number 10. Jericoacoara. Jericoacoara, often simply called Jerry, is a remote beach town known for its breathtaking landscapes and relaxed atmosphere. The town is famous for its stunning sand dunes and crystal-clear lagoons, including the picturesque Lagoa do Paraíso. Jerry's laid-back vibe makes it a popular spot for kite surfing and windsurfing, thanks to its consistent winds. Enjoy the vibrant sunsets over the dunes and explore the nearby Pedra Furada, a natural rock formation with a unique arch. Jericoacoara's natural beauty and serene environment offer a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle. Number 11. Ouro Preto. Ouro Preto, a historic town in Minas Gerais, is renowned for its well-preserved colonial architecture and rich mining history. Explore the narrow, winding streets and admire the Baroque churches, including the Church of São Francisco de Assis, known for its intricate woodwork and artwork. Ouro Preto is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and offers a glimpse into Brazil's colonial past. Visit the local museums and historical sites to learn about the region's role in the Gold Rush era. Ouro Preto's historical charm and architectural beauty make it a fascinating destination. Number 12. Bonito. Bonito, located in the state of Mato Grosso do Sul, is famous for its pristine natural beauty and ecotourism opportunities. The area is known for its crystal-clear rivers, stunning waterfalls, and rich biodiversity. Explore the Blue Lake Cave, a mesmerizing underwater cavern with vibrant blue waters, or take a float trip down the Rio da Prata to admire the vibrant fish and aquatic life. Bonito's commitment to sustainable tourism ensures that visitors can enjoy its natural wonders while preserving the environment. For nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers, Bonito offers an unforgettable experience. Number 13. Chapada Diamantina. Chapada Diamantina, located in the state of Bahia, is a stunning national park known for its dramatic landscapes and outdoor activities. The park features rugged plateaus, cascading waterfalls, and deep canyons. Explore the impressive Fumaça Falls, one of Brazil's tallest waterfalls, or hike through the picturesque Vale do Pati, a remote valley with breathtaking views. Chapada Diamantina's diverse landscapes offer a range of activities, from hiking and climbing to swimming in natural pools. The park's natural beauty and outdoor adventures make it a must-visit destination for nature lovers. Number 14. Ilha Grande. Ilha Grande, an island off the coast of Rio de Janeiro state, is known for its stunning beaches and lush rainforest. Enjoy the pristine sands of Lopes Mendes Beach, often considered one of the most beautiful beaches in Brazil. The island offers numerous hiking trails, including the trek to the Pico de Papagaio for panoramic views. Ilha Grande is a car-free island, adding to its charm and tranquility. With its beautiful beaches and natural landscapes, Ilha Grande provides a perfect escape for relaxation and adventure. Number 15. Porto Seguro. Porto Seguro, located in the state of Bahia, is a historic town known for its beautiful beaches and vibrant culture. The town is famous for its role in Brazil's discovery, with historical sites like the Mark of Discovery Monument. Relax on the sands of Taparapuá and Areal da Juda, or explore the nearby Eco Park, a popular water park with fun activities for all ages. Porto Seguro's blend of history, beaches, and lively atmosphere makes it a great destination for a well-rounded Brazilian experience. From the lively streets of Rio de Janeiro to the serene beauty of Jericoacoara, Brazil offers a diverse range of destinations that showcase the country's vibrant culture and natural wonders. Whether you're exploring the bustling cities, relaxing on pristine beaches, or discovering the wonders of the Amazon, Brazil has something to captivate every traveler. I hope this guide inspires your next adventure in this incredible country. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!